Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2013 Land Rover Discovery. Any screen, you've got nav here or you've got home menu, so I can go to nav. If it is on the home menu, on-road navigation, click on like so. Destination entry, really simple, the Land Rover system. Postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Howalton, Preston. Almost forgot it. P R. Now that was on letters, it's now defaulted to numbers. 5. On some systems, if you've only got 2 digits, you have to put a space in the middle. On the Land Rover system, you don't. 4 E A. That's it. Click OK. And then we have to click go. That's it. It's as simple as that. One thing I would say with the system as well, it is really easy. When you get near home and you're trying to listen to the news or something, it says turn left here and turn right, and you know your way home. Some of them you have to go through the menu, and it's a real swine to do. All you have to do with this is click on home menu, and you'll see there on-road navigation, cancel guidance. That's it done.